Hello and welcome to the Curiosity Show. I want to show you one thing that everybody should do at least once in his or her life. Take a piece of green paper or cardboard and roll it into a cylinder. Now you'll need two other things for this little project. You'll need a pair of scissors, and you'll notice I already have a pair, and you'll need a piece of sticky tape. When you've rolled that into a cylinder, take a small piece of sticky tape and make sure the cylinder doesn't come undone. And then, with your scissors, go to one end of the cylinder and cut down until you're about halfway down the cylinder. Then turn it over and make another cut directly opposite the first one, and then make a third cut halfway between those two cuts, and your fourth cut is directly opposite the third cut. Now you have a whole lot of little flaps. You then bend them outwards like so, and when you've done that to all four lots of flaps, one thing remains to be done, and that is to get hold of a flap from the centre and to pull it out. And lo and behold, you've turned a strip of paper into a growing tree, which is very appropriate for two reasons. One, because trees are where paper originally comes from, and two, because today's Curiosity Show is about growing.
I want to know